Slow down!
Oh no! Rumi! Look out! Push! Oh! We're safe now.
Remember what Mom told you. You mustn't play with poor people.
But she's good to the child.
No, Mom doesn't like you hanging out with those people.
You never care about my feelings, Mom. You only care about your own perspective.
Don't argue with your mother. If it happens one more time, I'll punish that girl.
Look how high I can go! Wow, that's amazing!
Try to touch the clouds.
Why hasn't Rumi arrived yet? Should I go into the class first? Gugugaga, I'm here! Have you been waiting for me long? I was about to go to class when you arrived. I got caught in traffic. Come on, let's head to class. Let's have lunch together this afternoon. It's already noon, and I still haven't seen Gugugaga anywhere. I'll give you this. Thank you. I really like this bread.
Eat slowly. Why is Rumi playing with someone dressed so poorly? Wait until school is finished, and I will forbid them from playing together. Who is this, Rumi? Is this a friend of yours?
He always shares his food and helps me study.
No explanations! Don't you dare disobey me!
Mom, you mustn't say that.
No explanations. You are not to play with these low-class, destitute people. Mom, how could you do that to me? I hate you, Mom. You don't respect me.
The child will no longer need a mother. Rumi, wait for me! Rumi is dangerous. I hate my mother. I can't find it. I can't find it anywhere.
Hey! Slow down!
Oh no! Rumi, look out! Push! Oh! We're safe now.
Rumi, are you okay?
Mom, I'm so scared. Thank goodness for Gugugaga.
Thank you, Gugugaga. Thank you for saving Rumi.
That's quite all right. The main thing is that you understand now.
Please stop. Don't take my rings. Give them back, please.
Stop right now.
Sir, we were only joking.
This is not a joke. This is cruelty.
School. You have books, you have chances, but you use them to hurt someone who is trying to live with her own hands. That is the real shame.
We already know.
Is the child all right? Did you make this?
Yes, sir. I made it.
This is not trash. This is talent.
What is your name?
My name is Gugugaga.
Gugugaga. Do you want to learn how to turn these bracelets into a real brand?
Can I really do that?
Yes, but you must not give up.
I will not give up.
Follow me.
One day, I will make beautiful bracelets that everyone can see. Where is this place?
This is my own creative space. Make something from your heart.
I will try.
What can this poor girl know about a brand?
She is only a child.
I will learn. I will become better.
Your past is not a weakness. It is your power.
As you can see from the technical sketches, the class mechanism needs refinement before finalizing production. I agree. We should focus on bracket 3 specifically.
They are having some kind of problem. I think customers do not only want beautiful bracelets. They want a story.
You want to tell us a story? A story?
Yes. When people wear these bracelets, they do not only wear jewelry, they carry a small message. The message says, "I am strong." Can this collection be put on the shelves for sale?
Of course.
I hope the customers will support me this time.
Finally, that has become a reality.
These designs are absolutely beautiful. This is simply perfect. Such beautiful craftsmanship.
Congratulations, Gugugaga. Our company has achieved its highest sales volume ever.
Wow.
Congratulations. I will officially hand the company over to you. I'll be stepping into the background, and I hope you manage it well.
Thank you for your trust, Mr. David.
Mr. Chairman, here are the applications of 2 job applicants.
Let me see.
Please let them come in. Hello, boss. We really want a chance to work here. We admire Gugugaga jewelry very much. Do you know where this brand started? It started from handmade bracelets, right?
It started from a small street stall.
And from a little girl whose bracelets were thrown on the ground by other children. Gugugaga, is that you? Yes, that is me. That day, we were young. We were wrong. We are sorry. Please give us a chance. We really need this job. I can forgive you so my heart can be light. But forgiveness does not mean I must give you a place in my company. We understand. Thanks for coming, and don't come back.